That's not the way to do it.
Who's that?
Why don't you hit it straight, huh? Step into it.
Apollo?
Right.
What are you doing here?
Business.
All right, guys, I wanted to give a shout out to my good friend Paul Moody. His car is called Xcesiv. His car is modded Hellcat. It's running a Bravo package from Peitz Performance out of Houston, Texas. Go to the description and I'll have a link on how to get to that particular performance shop. But that performance package is very reliable. Some of the things in that performance package that I'm aware of is upgraded injectors, fuel pumps, harmonic balancer, upper and lower pulleys, drive shaft, half shaft, killer chiller, cat delete, E85 spark plugs, and I believe Paul is running his stock rear end, which is a 262, but they can also put a 309 rear end in there. That package comes with a transmission tune, obviously an engine tune, but you're looking at somewhere around $12,000 to $13,000. But man, is it reliable! I love racing Paul. Can't wait to get him back out on the track again. I believe he's had his transmission retuned, and we'll see what it's going to do from there. But it is a beast, guys. Anyway, you know what I'm doing. Snatch your souls. Peace.
Age before beauty.
Anything you say, Stallion.
I do all the work, okay? I'll tell you, Paul, you better go slow because you ain't as young as springtime no more.
I'm still young enough to whip your butt, Stallion.
You taught me everything you know.
Almost everything. You gotta remember now, you fight great, but I'm a great fighter. Huh?
Want to ring the bell?
All right. Ding, ding.
Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a deuce, another runner in the night. Blinded by the light, wrapped up like a deuce, another runner in the night. Blinded by the light.
I taught you well.
I think you taught me too good. Look at him fly.
Look out now. No, you don't want any of this. Come on, come on.
Maybe I'm in here with the wrong guy.
Come on, watch yourself. Ready?
Blinded by the light.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.